Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Tailgates and Toolboxes here. And we have another food review. It's actually another drink. And what do we have today? Ta-da! We have, straight from Pennsylvania, we have Genuine Hank's Gourmet Philadelphia Recipe Root Beer. Sorry about the glare. My sister got this for me, excuse me, from Pennsylvania. So, looks like a beer bottle. Let's see if we can move this up a little. Here we go. It's up a little. All right. Fun little fact. This bottle opener is old. It's a little yellowed. I got this from, I went to the Bahamas on a Norwegian cruise back in 07. I had a great time. It's magnetic. I keep it on my toolbox. So we're going to open it up, sniff it, and pour it. Let's get the glass. Oh, there we go. Bottle cap. Sorry about the glare. Okay, let's give it a sniff test. Definitely smells like root beer. Let's do the pour. It's a nice foamy head to it. It's a good sign. Give it the sniff test again in the glass. Definitely smells like root beer. It's not super strong. You do smell root beer. It's not overwhelming. It's got good foam to it. It's got a good head to it. All right. Let's in fact, I think this says like 30 years. All right, so let's give it the taste test. It's not bad. It's not super strong. It's not the root beer flavor is not overpowering. It's a nice subtle root beer. I think mug root beer's got a little bit more kick to it. It's not bad. It's got that sweetness to it. It's not bad. Overall, it's not bad. Sorry for a little crooked there. Yeah, it's not bad. So, yeah, it's if I was in the mood for root beer, I'd probably buy this again. If I was in Pennsylvania, I don't think they sell this in New York or on Long Island. Bottle. That's the label. I guess it's their 30th year anniversary. 30 years they've been making this. Cool little bottle. Cool little bottle. It's weird. It's got a I guess that's from the, like, I don't know if it's weird. It's got a dimple back here. It's on purpose. It's like a square dimple. I guess that's from the manufacturing process. So, not bad. So, like I said, this is Genuine Hank's Gourmet Philadelphia Recipe Root Beer. So, all right. Like I said, if you like root beer, you're in Pennsylvania, pick some up. I'm assuming you can get this over at Giant, which is New York's version of Pennsylvania's version of Stop and Shop. I believe they are owned by the same company. So, all right. Thanks for watching my review. Have a good day. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I appreciate it. Trying to build up the channel. All right. Thank you, guys. Have a good day. Bye.